This video is to show you how to access the Teachable program on Wendy's Magical Mentoring Program. When you enrol in our mentoring program, you will be automatically added to Teachable, and the first you will know about this is you will receive an email into your inbox. Please do check that that email hasn't gone into your spam folder. Gmail is particularly thrifty at filtering out anything that it doesn't recognise, so it might be that you've been enrolled but you've missed the email. So the first thing is to check that you've got the email, and this is what it will look like. So it'll say redeem your copy of Magical Mentoring Program. What that means is that you have been enrolled into a program and you can now access it. So if I click onto the email, you'll see there that I'm accepted. I've called myself person 2 and I just need to click on the email that says confirm email. So I click onto the email, and then if I want to, I can add a password. So I will add myself a password. I'll confirm the password. And the boxes are checked at the bottom automatically. I agree to receive instructional and promotional emails. I agree to Teachable's terms of use and privacy policy. And as you can see, it's the correct email that is in the box. My full name is listed there as person 2. I've typed in my password, and I can check them if I wanted to by looking at them, by clicking on the eye icon. But I'm happy that they meet, they match each other, so I'm going to now finish the process. So what that means now is that I can go to the courses that I've been enrolled in. And you should see the little logo at the top which says the Ultimate HMO Success System. That way you know you're in the right place. So if I click on Go to Courses, then the first course that I've been enrolled into is the Magical Mentoring Program. So if I click into the Magical Mentoring Program, this shows me where all of those folders with all of that fabulous information is stored. Now, if you're brand new to Teachable, the first thing that I'd recommend that you do is come into the introduction to the program session and watch the video. And I think this may start automatically, so I shall just pause it for a moment. But if you watch that introduction video, that'll explain to you a lot more about the mentoring program, what you get, how to access it, and how the program works. And some words of encouragement as well. So please make sure that you go to the introduction section first, and then you can work through each of the 5 sessions, or the 5 sections, I should say, finding it, funding it, finishing it, filling it, and future-proofing it. And then, of course, we have the program webinars listed below that, and mastermind session recordings as well. So there's a huge amount of data, there's a huge amount of information on this Teachable system, and I'd love you to make the most of it. Now, what do you do when you've finished, when you've downloaded the information you need, or you've looked at the video that you want to see and you're ready to log out? In the top right hand corner, you can edit. If you click on your little logo, if you wanted to, you can edit your profile and upload a photo of yourself. You can manage your subscription, you can add or change a credit card, you can add your contact details, and there you go, you can log out. So I'm going to log out of the system for now. And when I log out, I'm taken to the main page in Teachable. So next time that you log in, this URL is the one that you want to bookmark and save. So I'm just going to add this page to my favourites, and I'm going to put it onto my favourites bar so that I've saved it. And that means that next time I want to come to it, if I open a new tab, you can see at the top here, I've added this as a new tab, a new bookmark. So I just have to click on Home, and it says Wendy Whitaker Large, which is hmosuccess.teachable.com, and I'm into the main screen. Now at this point I want to log into the program, so I just click on the little word at the top there, which is a bit faint, it's in white, so you just have to look for it, which says log in. So then you'll get taken to this screen. Now admittedly this screen is confusing because it says log into my Teachable to connect account. Now, in order to do that, you need to have a My Teachable account. That's really an account that you would use to create courses with, but I suspect you're probably not going to be creating courses. So you can see the box that says email address and password, and normally what you'd expect to do is to put in your email address and password, wouldn't you? And then underneath it says log into Teachable. Can I recommend you do not do that? What you want to do is to click on the no thanks, go back to school line. You see that down there at the bottom. If I click on that, no thanks, go back to school, There we go, I'm in. So this will be the page that you will see when you've logged in and when you've got access to the Magical Mentoring Program. If I click on the icon there, that big box, ta-da, there I am, I'm into the program. Now if I log out, again, if I click on my user on the top right hand corner, you see my little avatar there, I can log out and I go back to the main home screen. So let me just go through that once more. So you'll find this main home screen. This is the one that you want to bookmark on your page, on your favorites, so that if I open a new bookmark, you can see there I've bookmarked it. So this will take you to hmosuccess.teachable.com. You then go to the login button on the top right hand corner. You put in your email address and your password. You click login. The login to My Teachable will come up. You don't want that, you go to no thanks, go back to school, and then you are into the Magical Mentoring Program. So I hope that makes it much easier for you to navigate Teachable. It's not the most perfect navigation system, but hopefully this video will help clarify what you need to do to make sure you access all the resources that are there and make the most of it while you are on your program. Thanks for watching.